So this year is going to be over in just 50 days from now. What if I told you that you can still make a lot of money? Yes, I mean legit lot of money before this year runs out. Even though you are watching me from Lagos or London or even Los Angeles, I mean from wherever you are, if you put in the right strategies, following the ideas I'm about to share in this video, then you can still make a lot of money, even if it's just 20 days, 30 days, or even 10 days to the end of this year. So if this is something that interests you and sounds like what you want to learn, come with me and let's dive into this video. My name is Entrepreneurial EriOluwa. You're welcome to my channel. So let me just get straight into it. In one of my previous videos where I talked about how to turn your routines into daily income, if you have not watched that, please watch it right immediately after this video so that you can get to understand better what I'm trying to explain. Many times, a lot of people in the festive period or in December, especially towards Christmas and New Year, always have one thing or the other that they want to move from one point to another. Even small businesses are looking at the best ways to be able to move their products from one customer to the other. People all around want to send hampers, gift items from one person to the other, and it's just all like that. And the interesting thing is that at such periods, there's usually a lot of jam, and many a times, most of these guys who are into delivery businesses at this time, they are too booked. It's either they are too booked or they are just overwhelmed. Everybody's just trying to, get in with the time and the festivity. And so there's always usually a lot of disappointments when it comes to delivery, which brings me to our number one point of the business idea that you can actually quickly latch on and make profits with during this holiday period, and that is delivery business. See, no matter where you are, no matter who you are, there will always be somebody at this point of festivity that needs that service around you. So the thing is just that you need to be able to find out who those people really are. They might be business owners, they might just be anybody around, who wants to get one thing or the other to another person. There might be fashion designers who, after making customers' orders, they want to send those orders, and they don't have all that time, to be able to carry those items by themselves to those customers because they are just, trying to get up with lots of other people's orders. Okay, so you can jump onto that, even for your friends, families, and loved ones who are in the diaspora. During the festive period, everybody wants to, give maybe an hamper. Corporate organizations now, they want to give gifts to their customers. This is something that, has happened to me severally. When we get to package our products and we are looking for how to deliver it, because our regular delivery guys are either overbooked or they are just, wasting time, and there's not so much time because it comes also with time. This period comes also with the right timing. So that's one business idea that you can totally maximize this time, and you can make a lot of profit with it. Do you understand? So it's a win-win. You are sending something for someone, they are paying you for your service, and it's a win-win. You are making extra income. The interesting thing is that it can even span beyond the holidays. Okay, it can last you into now starting your own full-blown business, and that's the same thing with all the other ideas I'm going to be discussing in this video. Okay, the next idea is cleaning service. Let's be very practical. If during festivity, especially during December, you have not tried to clean your house or your office or somewhere around you before, then maybe you should indicate that in the comment section. Okay, but one thing I know, one thing that has resonated well, that has happened very well around me or with me even in my business, is that we always are looking for how to get the house, the environment clean, especially during December period, because the reality is that Harmattan is available, or it's usually Harmattan period. It gets really dusty. Okay, so I mean, here in Nigeria, if you're watching me from Nigeria, even if you are not watching me from Nigeria, it's just something that has come like a regular routine with people during December. Everybody just wants their house to be sparkling, the whole place to be shiny and all bright. This is something you can easily jump on and you can cash out during this period. And like I have said before in my previous videos, you don't have to be the one to do these things. You can just get people that are actually already doing them. Okay, get them now to do this service for you. And if it's something that you love to do, why not? Especially if you don't have anything you're doing, or you don't even have any startup capital, jump on this kind of idea, cleaning business, and start. And it can even span beyond this festive period, and it can turn into a big cleaning service agency if you know how to play your games. It's just about being strategic and how to do things correctly. Okay, moving on to the third idea now is decoration and event planning. The reality is that at this festive period, especially in Nigeria now, you will soon start to see people putting up colors, green and red, which represents the Christmas colors. Okay, they will start putting up this colors for decoration. Everybody wants to have their offices decorated, their homes, the streets. Different organizations wants to have a touch of the Christmas feel. Okay, if you know how to do event decoration, and I'm going to be practical here. Okay, 1 year like that, because that was when I was still learning, because I actually learned how to do events decoration. Okay, so 1 year like that, while I was still learning, there was one very reputable organization that wanted to do something for that festive period, like put up a decoration, but they did not want to go for the big names in the decoration or event planning space. They just wanted something very minimal, something that would still help them to curb their expenses and all that. So they came to my boss's place. That was where I was learning how to do event decoration, and they just had a deal. We came to a deal and we went to do that decoration way cheaper than what they would have done it if they had gone for those big names, those guys with big names in the event planning space. What am I trying to say is that if you know how to put Christmas trees, you know how to do some sort of decorations, put things together, put those colors of Christmas themed colors together as decor, you can definitely jump onto this and do it. I mean, after I learned from my boss, there was a time that I decorated at my church. I decorated the church for a Christmas period, and somebody that saw the decoration actually invited me over to another church, which was maybe their mother's church or something like that, to do the decoration in that church. And like that, another person got to see the decoration, and they still invited me to do another decoration for another event. What I'm trying to say is that you can do simple decorations, and when people see them, they can refer you, or even you can approach people that you think that they can need this service, this decoration, maybe for their supermarket or in front of their homes or something, just something minimal, and you will charge them something not overboard, okay, so that they know that you are able to do that. You do it for them, and it's a service you're rendering. I mean, it's a win-win. Everybody is happy. Okay, people just want some everywhere decorated and looking all beautiful. Everybody wants to have that Christmas feel. So why not? And if you don't even know how to do this decoration, get the guys that know how to do it together. Put them, once you have been able to get the deal for anybody who wants the business or who wants your service, get those guys together, pay them their own portion, and you keep the remaining portion and let them do the job. Okay, so you can definitely jump on that and make a lot of money with that. All right, and the last one on this list is catering business. See, this one is actually very big, okay, because it's what I do very well. This is what I do. Okay, for catering services during festive period, you can do it as long as you know the exact people who need your service. And I'm not even talking about big catering or big catering services like you're cooking for a large number of people. No, I'm talking about there are some specific kind of foods that during the festive period, they are very popular. They are like routine foods that people will love to have. And I'm talking about small chops like samosa, spring rolls, chin chin, puff puff, and stuff like that. Yes, see, you don't have to know how to do these things. Let me be practical with you. So what I do, even as a caterer, is that during the festive period, when we have a lot of orders, there's some guys that these things are the major things that they are into. Like they produce these snacks every day. That's their own daily job, okay? So what we do is that, or what you can do, which I do, is that you can partner with these guys. Once you have your own order, or you have the people that will need these products from you, you partner with those guys. Those guys are the ones that will produce for you. You are just going to now batch the orders and send it to the to the customers who needs them, or the people who have requested those snacks from you. So like samosa and spring roll wrappers or samosa and spring roll packs, you can put them together. People will just conveniently remove those snacks from whatever pack. Guests and visitors and whoever needs to eat the snacks, they have it readily available. They don't have to go through the stress of trying to make it on their own. This is something you can jump on in this festive period. You also have chin chin. I mentioned puff puff. See, you don't have to I'm not saying that you should be mixing puff puff for people. You can easily pack your puff puff mix as dry as it is, put it in pouches, put it in nice sealable packs, which is what I also do, and you sell it out to people. and you just put the directions. You have your directions, your labeling, everything intact, so that people know exactly the right proportion of what other ingredients they need to add to the mix to make their batter. And then they just get on to, fry and serve and dish out immediately, no stress. So these 4 ideas are very profitable during the festive period, especially in Nigeria. So if you want further ideas, you can indicate in the comment section below, and definitely I'm going to bring this out to you. And if this resonates well with you, also let me know in the comment section, and let me know exactly the one that you think is convenient enough for you to jump on. To be able to identify the perfect audience or the perfect market that will appreciate these services or products, even this festive period, I've put together a worksheet that is titled the Target Market Identifier. Okay, I'm going to put the link in the description below, so you can use the worksheet to identify the exact people that you can sell these items to. I mean, it's going to help you to get your results faster. Okay, so this video is actually just to educate you and to make you open up your mind, your heart to the ideas that can actually be profitable for you, even in this festive period. It is not a get rich quick scheme, please. Okay, so if you put in the work, if it has worked for other people, why not? It will definitely work for you. If this video has helped you in any way, informed you, educated you, and you've found a lot of value watching it, please hit the subscribe button, please and please. So till I see you in my next video, take action and keep thriving. Bye.